Noticing your Cummins ISX is overheating, accompanied with thick white steam, or your oil has a strange discoloration? You may be in need to replace the head gasket in your Cummins ISX diesel and minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Service your ISX the right way the first time. Install this new Upper Engine Gasket Set for your Cummins ISX from Highway and Heavy Parts. Don't risk the health of your ISX. Buy a high-quality aftermarket upper engine gasket set from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Each part is crafted with hard-wearing materials for maximum strength and durability to ensure your ISX upper engine gasket set can withstand the rigors of the road. Manufactured and assembled in an ISO 9001-2008 certified facility, ensures excellent quality and consistency with 100% asbestos-free material. The component's material selection is based upon pressure, temperature variations, and contact with many fluids and surfaces, helping your engine have excellent performance. With technical knowledge, quality products, fast shipping, and unbeatable customer service, Highway and Heavy Parts is the place to get you back on the road. Backed by a 2-year unlimited mileage parts and labor warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts, America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier.